Alright, here's the oldest vehicle we have in stock at the moment. 1915 Ford Model T, little Roadster or Runabout as they were known. Actually, the Runabout in 1915 cost $390 from Ford. A little interesting fact. This particular one does run. I'll pause the video a little bit later and grab a gentleman that will help me fire this up so you can at least see it run. But we've had this running and driving. Sheet metal on it seems to be in nice shape. Obviously you can see got some patina to it, some surface rust, but overall pretty nicely preserved 1915 Model T. These had a 177 cubic inch inline four-cylinder engine in them. They came from Ford. That was with a 2-speed transmission. 1915 was also the first year that they went to the electric lighting powered by the magneto. That replaced the acetylene and oil lamps that would have been on them for lighting. Electric start didn't come around till 1919 though, so this is a hand crank one yet. You can see the top needs to be redone on it, but it appears that the support brackets and everything are there. And it's had somebody that along the way just threw some canvas over and redid the seats, but pretty cool 1915 Model T yet. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior, and you want to take a little time, look it over, check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com or down below this video. You can look, there's a link, you can click on that, and that'll take you right to it. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. We've sold quite a few of these Model Ts, so feel free to give us a call. We can sure discuss it with you. Come around to the rear of it, of course. And again, it's amazing the sheet metal on this is in pretty darn nice shape. You're going to have your kind of little rusty areas, what have you. And you got to remember the age of this vehicle. But overall, someone wants to restore it or just kind of keep it patinaed like it is, make a cool classic vehicle for them. A lot of these cars back in the day were converted to tractors, even firefighting equipment with tanks and hoses put on them. Snow travel, you see a lot of skis and tracks that in the northern parts of the world were done up to travel on snow. So a lot of these were kind of butchered or cannibalized. This one still seems pretty intact. Once again, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. And again, to look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or look down below this video in the description. You can click on that link and that'll take you to our website and the listing of this car. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this and we'll get her started up so you can hear it run, and let you check that out too. All right, just fired up the Model T here. You can hear it run. Like I said, it is the hand crank. Oh, it took 4 or 5 cranks. Now it's warming up a little bit too. I'll reset to the return the throttle back just a tad, but as you can see, it runs pretty smooth. Throttle her back there a little bit. Go even just a little bit more. Yeah, it's been a very nice, smooth running little T. There you go, 1915 Model T Runabout, the Roadster. By the way, this is sold on bill of sale only, just so you know. This bill of sale only. You can reach us at 507-386-1726. And again, check out down below in the description of this video. You're going to see a link, click on that. That'll take you to the pictures. You want to see the still pictures and everything about this vehicle. Look forward to hearing from you. Great old classic